Everyone, my name is Marjana and I'm a neuroscientist who has taken a deep dive into coding. A little bit of a background on me: I come with 10 years of academic biomedical research experience where I work with humans, mice, and worms, studying aging mechanisms and therapeutics that can slow aging. No, we haven't cured aging yet, but I can definitely talk to you about what can accelerate and decelerate aging. Being in lab for around 10 to 12 hours every day and then bringing work back home was a regular thing. This lifestyle did not enable proper good habit planning. The inspiration behind this app comes from a personal need to build good habits with accountability. Getting this process streamlined is why I designed and produced 2do-2gether, a 30-day habit setter with accountability partners. So let's go ahead and take a look at the app. So this is the homepage, pretty simple. You can create an account if you're a new user or go through a regular sign-in if you're not. So let's go ahead and create a new account. I use Flask, an open source Python web framework which is used to display all the web pages. Ginge 2 allows HTML to call Python functions. The HTML page that is rendered for each user is different due to a lot of dynamic data. So since Arlo is a new user, they will be automatically directed to a habit setup page where they get to set up a maximum of 3 habits. For now, let's go ahead and set them up with 2 habits. One thing you will notice is that the user is given the option of how they want to achieve their goals, whether it's in hours or days. Say the user chooses days, they'll alert with the ranges enabled via JavaScript. I use PostgreSQL and SQL Alchemy, a Python object relational mapper which enabled querying the database for the SQL queries. And the calculation from start date to 30 days is done by using the datetime module from Python libraries. So once Arlo submits the second habit, we get to see what their dashboard looks like. They can now log their habit, track their progress, and set up an accountability partner. So let's log in for running. Here they will log in a day of work and put in a little bit about how they felt accomplishing this task. Let's track their progress now once they submit the login. And so to calculate the progress that Arlo is making, the calculations for the progress metric also uses datetime module. However, the visualization of the progress is rendered using Bootstrap. The accountability page is the crown jewel of this app, and this page is associated with a unique user habit ID. Another flexible aspect of this feature was the messaging portion, which was modeled to allow for each user and their accountability partner to be assigned a sender or receiver, allowing for a seamless two-way conversation. This experience has taught me that having a flexible database is crucial in order to make adding more queries a lot easier later on. Back to the app. Now Arlo is given the option of several people who also have running as their habit but have yet to partner up. So let's say Arlo chooses Ken. Great. Arlo is going to go ahead and put in Ken's email address and type in a little message for Ken. Once Arlo submits this message, Arlo will be able to see Ken's progress, see the message that they sent Ken, as well as how many days Ken has left to accomplish their habit and the last day of login. All right, and let's see what the message was. All right, now let's go and see what's happening on Ken's end, who is already a user of the app. Voila, they are connected now. So both Arlo and Ken can now check on one another, keep a track of their progresses, and send encouraging messages while they achieve their habit goal together. Some of the additional things for the next sprint is to add the accept reject feature with partners having more than one accountability partner for a habit, and my like to have would be to gamify the app. Thanks to each one of you for your attention, and I will take any questions now.